Hello, and thank you for watching this tutorial on placing items on hold at NMB Library. This video will teach you to find and place materials on hold to be picked up from the library. First, open your browser and go to nmblib.com. This is the library's homepage. Once there, scroll to the middle of the page to search the catalog and click there. This is the library's catalog, a database of all the materials that we have available to check out here. Type in the title, author, subject, or keyword of the book you'd like to look for, and then press search. Every title in the results list will contain the words you used in your search. You'll see the current availability of each item. Once you find the item you want, click Place Hold. From here, enter your library card number with no spaces and your PIN number. Your PIN number is the last 4 digits of the phone number you used to obtain your library card. Please note, your library card must be active and in good standing in order to use this service. If you have any questions about your library card or your library account, please feel free to call us at 305-948-2970. Again, that's 305-948-2970. Or email us at discoverylibrary@citynmb.com. Again, that's discoverylibrary@citynmb.com, where we will be happy to answer your questions during regular business hours. The library computer will then ask you if you want the first available copy or a specific copy of that book. Once you make that selection, press Submit Hold, and then your hold has been placed. At the top of the screen, you'll notice a link that says Patron's Account. Click there to view your account. You can see your account summary, account activity, saved lists, and saved searches. So the account summary has your current contact info, your library information, and you can create an easy login. Your account activity shows your current holds, any items you have checked out, and any fines you may owe. Saved lists and saved searches are a way for you to save information you find while looking for books. If you need a new library pen, go to Account Summary and click Library Pen, and where you can create a new library pen. If you click Easy Login, you will be able to create a username and password to log into the website that will not require your library card. Now, if you click Advanced Search, you'll be able to search by specific author, title, or subject, and click Reading Levels in order to search for items that meet a certain Lexile level or AR reading level for your children. For more help and information, please feel free to call us at 305-948-2970. Again, that's 305-948-2970, or email us at discoverylibrary@citynmb.com. Again, that is discoverylibrary@citynmb.com. Thank you and have a great day.